In this video, I will be showing you step by step how you can send out an email campaign on Mailchimp. Now, first of all, once you are on your Mailchimp homepage, what we need to do is come over to the left hand side bar here, go down to campaigns and select campaigns. Now, once you select campaigns, you will be brought over to this page right here. And what you can do is go to the top right hand corner and click on create new, or you can send any of your draft ones that you have down here that you saved to finish later. Now, for example, if I want to click on this one, I will click on it to open it up. You will then be brought over to your email campaign edit list, and here is where you can customize your campaign. So what you want to do is go to, and then if you want to edit recipients, you can go in here, you can choose all subscribers in an audience, or you can choose different tags, etc. Now, what you want to do once you have done this is go down and select the from, which will obviously be you. So if you do want to change this, you can go to edit form, and then as you can see, you can change these details right here. Click on save. The next will then be a subject. Now what you want to do is go ahead and put in the subject of your email, and the preview text will be entered into this right here. So as you can see, this appears in the inbox after the subject line. So this is the first line that your recipients will see in order to go ahead and entice them to click on your email. Now once you've done this, click on save. And then this is pretty much all you need to know about this section right here. If you scroll down, you will then be able to edit and customize your email link. As you can see right here, you can change this right here. And then once you have changed it to whatever you like, click on save. Another thing you can do is add a social post to your email. So you've got Facebook, X, and also Instagram. If you want to add from any of these platforms, just toggle the option on right there, and you can go ahead and put in the URL. Now what you want to do once you have done this is scroll down, and then as you can see, settings and tracking, this will be the last thing that we can go ahead and edit. So if we click on edit, you will be able to check on any of these right here. So it tracks opens, it tracks clicks, it tracks Google Analytics. For example, let's say that you are selling a product on a e-commerce store. You can click on this right here, and then it will track visitors to your website through your Mailchimp emails. Once you're happy with all the things that you have checked, click on save. And then that is the last option. Now what we can do then is simply click on save in the top right hand corner. And then once you click on save, that will mean that you have sent that email campaign. So it's just that simple. That's how you can send an email campaign on Mailchimp, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And without further ado, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.